Hey friends, a lot of users are asking if Chromebook is Windows. The answer is no. It is a different operating system and it allows you to browse the internet and allows a lot of other functions of basic computers, but it does not have Windows, which means that it doesn't have functionalities like the start button, the settings menu, it doesn't have the command prompt, it doesn't give you the same kind of operating system benefits and integration with Microsoft products like Windows does. So that is why Windows is a much better operating system than the ones we used by Chromebook. So it is not Windows, and I suggest you to buy a Windows system if you are looking forward towards serious business. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.